What a lot of you guys are not getting behind the statement that says the rich don't work for money. Yeah, you heard it all the time. Oh, the rich don't work for money, but they have money work for them. It all starts off with an attitude. Number one, to be willing to do more than what you are being paid for. Most people are not willing. Most people either do less than what they've been paid for, or they do exactly what they've been paid for. But very, very few people have a mindset of being willing to go far and above what they're being paid for. See, ladies and gentlemen, there's a huge demand for people who are willing to give more than what they receive. Huge demand. So if there's a huge demand for those kind of people, which means that in more people are willing to pay you because they understand that your service is not limited by your money. Right? Think about it this way, guys. Generally, when you think about a transaction, you always ask, is it worth it? Worth it is what I'm going to get more than what I'm giving. And human beings generally they generally want to give, they generally want to pay less for more, correct? So if people feel like, I know whatever I'm gonna get is way more than what I'm about to pay for, then that's how demand is set up. So this thing of not working for money but having money work for you is simple. It starts off with an attitude to say you have a gig, right? This gig, they say that this, and they're gonna pay you X amount for 1 hour, 15,000 and for 1 hour, right? You say, okay, no, that's perfect. After that 15,000, and you are paying me for that 1 hour for this particular gig, I want to also donate maybe X amount of, if let's say they invited you to give to speak, right, for 15,000 an hour. Okay, cool. Now you are there. Give a proposal. Listen, guys, can I come and have a consultation session with you guys to see where else, what else I can actually help your business with that I can absolutely, do for you free of charge. And it could just be like, okay, cool, I could write, I have a proposal, or I have a document that I could utilize that you guys, your company can utilize, that can improve the performance of your company, right? Or you're paying me 15,000 then for this particular event, but I see that on your social media content no one's promoting it. Can I promote this event for you as well? Give you an example. Right now there's a company that I'm speaking for, right? And when I got there to the company, the CEO said obviously she wants to have 550 people at the event. And then immediately after that I asked her, but why don't you do more? Look, I don't know, it's struggling to get more people. She doesn't understand, or she doesn't know how she's gonna get more people to come to the event. So okay, cool. Why don't you and I work together? And I want to put 400 people at that event. 400 people at that event. Actually, I said time is 300. I said 300 people will attend the event. But as I'm speaking to you right now, we're not expecting less than 400 people to come at any event. Why? Because I was willing to do way more than what I was going to be paid for. Simple. It's a simple illustration. But what most people will do, they will just wait for the gig. You don't see how else you can add more value. And a lot of you guys are leaving a lot of money on the table because you're always focusing on the money. You're not focusing on the value. Here's the thing. Money will always follow value. Value won't always follow. Value will always follow money, right? But money will always follow value. The more value there is, the more money will ultimately follow. So for all of you entrepreneurs out there, to start having money work for you, make sure that you're always willing to do more than what you're being paid for. See you at the top.